Unlock real-time market data and seamless trade execution by linking your TopstepTrader account with Sierra Chart today. First, let's get your data feed configured. Open Sierra Chart and navigate to the top menu bar. Click on Data and Time, and then select the Download, Update CME, Eurex, ICE, Energex, Globex, NYMEX, COMEX, DGCX, MSCI data. This is where we'll tell Sierra Chart where to get its market information from. In the chart data feed window that appears, locate the platform drop-down menu, click on it, and from the extensive list of available providers, select TopstepTrader. This action tells Sierra Chart to connect specifically to your Topstep account for live market data. Now, it's time to enter your TopstepTrader credentials. We'll see fields for your username or account ID and your password. Carefully input the same login information you use for your TopstepTrader platform. Double-check for any typos, as accuracy is key here. With your platform selected and credentials enter, find the Connect or Start Data Feed button within the same window. Click this to establish the connection. Sierra Chart will then attempt to log into your TopstepTrader account and pull the live market data. Once connected, you should see real-time price movements on your charts, confirming a successful link. You're now ready to leverage the powerful analytical tools and trading capabilities of Sierra Chart with your funded TopstepTrader account. Happy trading!